Hello, friends. It is week 7 for our virtual learning or distance learning, and all assignments are due Sunday, May 17th at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, please email me or email Mrs. Brooks, and we'll do our best to help you. All right, big shout out to our scavenger hunt winners. I want to thank all of you who jumped on the Google Meets call on Tuesday last week. We had tons of fun. It was great to see you guys running around trying to get things for the scavenger hunt. And my cheeks hurt from laughing and smiling so much. I haven't had that in a long time. So I really appreciate all of you who jumped on. We had cores 1 and 2 together, and Charlie Moorhead was our big winner for the most amount of points scored for the scavenger hunt. Ethan Bridges was our winner for cores 3 and 4. So woohoo, congrats, big shout out to you guys. This week on Tuesday, we will be meeting with all the Pacesetter teachers and doing another scavenger hunt. But this time at 1 o'clock, we will have cores 1 and 3. And at 1:30, we will have cores 2 and 4. So make sure you're jumping on at the right time. As always, I will put a link and the nickname in Google Classroom. Flipgrid this week is 6th grade memories. What is your favorite memory of the whole school year? Please click here to record your Flipgrid and share with me your favorite memory of the school year. And give me some details, some information about it. Don't just say, oh, I really like gym class. That doesn't tell me anything. Share something about it. Really give it some thought to reminisce about what you most remember about the 6th grade. This is a survey the links were in the email that we sent to your parents today, but I wanted to make sure that it was in here too so that you had it. So we're asking all of the students to share their thoughts on distance learning and have the survey completed by the 18th. So that's next Monday. Your access code is going to be your student ID. If you need directions on how to take the survey, click here and it will give you directions. If you just want to jump ahead and go ahead and take the survey, your link is right here. Just click and it will take you to the survey. Shouldn't take you very long to do. Pretty easy. Lesson 1 for the week is I can find a missing data given a data set in the mean. So number 1, you're going to fill out your needs form right here like we do every single Monday. And number 2, you're going to watch the video here. And you can either print off the notes here to take notes along with me, or you can just take notes on a blank sheet of paper. You are going to complete the Digits 16-2 homework. There's only 5 questions, so take your time with those questions to make sure that you're getting the answers right so that you get a decent score. You may use your calculator. Lesson 2 is calculating the measure of variability called interquartile range. It's a fancy name, but it's very easy. So again, you can print off your notes here or just take notes on a piece of paper, watch the video here, complete Digits 16-4 homework. Again, only 5 questions, so take your time, make sure you score well. Lesson 3, I can calculate the measure of variability called mean absolute deviation. This is kind of a lengthy process, but it's really easy. Might be a little confusing, so just pay really close attention to the video here. You're going to either print off the notes here and take notes along with me on the video, or you can do it on a regular piece of paper. And then your homework for this lesson is to complete the Edpuzzle mean absolute deviation assignment in Google Classroom. Lesson 4, I can share my favorite things about math class. This one's really, for me and Mrs. Brooks, we really want your feedback. What did you love about 6th grade math class? What will you always remember? What was the best part about math class? What advice would you give next year's 6th graders about how to do well in math class? What would you change about the way we teach math? What is something we should never change? What's something we should always do? Share with us your favorite memory, your favorite lesson. Do you feel like you've gotten better at math? Are you a little bit more confident with math? Do you like math a little bit more? What topic did you like the most? What topic did you like the least? Just any information you can share with us that will help us to be better teachers, because we want to be the best teachers we possibly can for our 6th grade students. And you are going to help us with that. So please, please, please send us an email with your thoughts about math class this year. And, give us a couple sentences. Don't just say math was great and send us the email. That doesn't help me at all. Definitely share some thoughts, write at least a paragraph telling us about math class. I've given you lots of questions to answer here, so hopefully you should be able to come up with something great to tell me. And Mrs. Brooks, lesson 5. Oh, my dog. So lesson 5 is your last air practice number 10. You may use a calculator. You can either print out the packet or just do it on a scrap piece of paper. You can, instead of doing a video for the key, this time I did a document. So you can just check your work on the document. And I set up your proportion here so you can figure out your percentage. And then you just need to submit your score to the Google form like you do every week. So last air practice for you. Woohoo! Then, of course, at the bottom, I have included, as always, your checklist. You are going to complete your Flipgrid, your needs form, digits 16-2, 16-4, and the Ed Puzzle. All of those links are in Google Classroom. Email Mrs. Brooks and I, Ms. Doohan, and do your air practice number 10 Google form, and you will be done for the week. As always, have a great week. My dog can't wait to stop barking. Have a great week. Email me if you need anything, and hopefully we get some great weather this week and you can get outside and enjoy yourself.